I'd like you to make a plan for your information text write tomorrow, focusing on 3 different periods of crime and punishment through history. So I've chosen my first one as the Romans, and you can choose whichever 3 you'd like. I'm going to provide you with the slides for all of the lessons we've done so far, so you can choose which 3 periods you'd like to go with. I've chosen the Romans, and here's what I might write as my notes in this box so I can help myself write my paragraph tomorrow. Remember that it needs to be brief, and it doesn't need to be full sentences. It doesn't need to be the full explanation. It just needs to be something to give you an idea about what you're going to write about tomorrow. So I've written Romans existed from 509 BCE until 29 BCE. Men were citizens. People owned slaves but could become citizens. They overthrew the king to rule themselves. They formed the Senate to represent the people. There were 12 tables of law that were put up for all to see. And Julius Caesar acted like the laws didn't apply, so he was assassinated. And if you could just do that for all 3 of the boxes with your own 3 historical periods in preparation for your extended write tomorrow.